Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Tutr Hyperloop is a deep tech startup operating from National Center for Combustion Research and Development, IIT Madras. Let's get to know all about it.
Hello, myself Hari Krishna. So I am working as an electrical engineer at Tutr Hyperloop. So Tutr Hyperloop is a deep tech startup incubated at IIT Madras. And so here today I am talking about the journey of Hyperloop at IIT Madras. So back then in 2018, a student team was formed actually. So that's where it all started. So in 2018, a student team known as Avishkar Hyperloop was formed. And so the dream was to develop Hyperloop technology in India. So initially the goal of the student team was to develop Hyperloop vehicle prototypes and go and participate in different competitions all across the globe. So in 2019, we developed the first generation of a Hyperloop pod at IIT Madras, and we participated in the competition conducted by SpaceX at Los Angeles. And we were among the top 10 teams all around the world on 2019. And after that, on 2020, so the development got a little bit lagging because of COVID. So after that, the team actually rejoined on 2020 end by a new set of people, and then we started developing Hyperloop technology again. So everyone started talking about like how can we commercialize this stuff, how can we go beyond competitions. So that is when this idea of starting a company and everything started happening. The team also started focusing on developing some commercial Hyperloop technologies. So in 2021, we actually have developed a successful Hyperloop tube prototype, and we have demonstrated it and tested it as well at IIT Madras. And we also have received a grant from Indian Railways for 8.33 crores to develop a 400-meter Hyperloop test facility at the new campus of IIT Madras. From then, as the things began to go bigger, so the student team can actually commercialize the technology. So that's when Tutr Hyperloop was started with co-founder as Satya sir, Arvind sir and Balaji sir. So from 2021 end, Tutr Hyperloop is working to commercialize the technologies developed by students at IIT Madras, and also to collaborate with international partners to make Hyperloop a reality in India. So as you know, Hyperloop is known as the fifth mode of transportation. So it is a very, very new technology. So there are multiple startups across US and Europe and also in India working to make this a reality. Like a conventional transport, it is a ground transport which can travel up to speeds of 1000 km per hour. So we have a proposal where we can say we can travel from Chennai to Bangalore within 30 minutes. So the thing is, so as it's a very, very new technology, so there are a lot of room for innovation. So that's when actually we are trying to collaborate with all the people across the world to set standards. As you can say, railways have certain standards, like it has a certain amount of rail width you can use and stuff like that, but Hyperloop standards are not yet established. So here we are continuously working and innovating to set the standards for Hyperloop so that everyone across the globe can use it. So also Hyperloop travels in a vacuum tube, so it takes very, very less amount of energy to travel from point A to point B, and also it works on renewable energy like solar. So we can say that it is kind of a carbon neutral technology as well. Since it is electrically propelled, there is no pollution or anything which is causing because of the technology. So we can say it's a very highly futuristic and a good solution for a new transportation system.